Hi, I'm Bart and here's how to work an SSK, slip, slip, knit, a classic left-leaning decrease. I'll show you how to do it in both English and Continental style. First I'll show you English style. Slip the first stitch as if to knit, then slip the second stitch as if to knit, place the stitches back on the left needle, and knit them together through the back loops. Again, slip, slip, back on the needle, knit through the back loop. Let's move on to Continental style. Slip the first stitch as if to knit, slip the second stitch as if to knit, place the stitches back on the left needle, and knit them together through the back loop. Let's do that again. Slip, slip, place the stitches back, and knit through the back loops. And that's the SSK. If you found this helpful, I'd love for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm uploading more knitting techniques, tips and tricks weekly. See you in the next video.